Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. I have my face unlock set up on my Motorola One Zoom, and I want to show you how good it works. Bam, just like that. Let's do that again. Just like that. The reason why I set that up, because typically I don't use face unlock, is that my in-display fingerprint reader isn't working. And I'm going to tell you why. This smartphone comes with a drip notch, but if you want to hide the drip notch, you have to become a developer. And I'm going to show you how you do that. And this is going to explain why the in-display fingerprint reader doesn't work and why I'm using the face unlock. We go to System. We go to About Phone, and you see build number. You tap on that a few times and you become a developer. If you don't know anything about that area, do not start messing around with anything in that area. Disclaimer, please do not. If there's something you want to utilize in the developer options, please do your homework. Watch a few videos. Ask questions. Don't just start messing around with areas you do not know anything about. Trust me. Anyway, so we want to go back out of this area once you become a developer, and we go to Advanced Developer Options. It is here up top you want to type out cutout. As you can see, it says display cutout. You want to tap on that area and it'll take you right to where you need to go. Display cutout, hide. Tap on that area. Device default, hide. Corner cutout, double cutout, tall cutout. Hey, we got the Google Pixel 3 XL.
Here's some news.
Oops, you say the word Google and every phone in the house turns on. All right, so we want to do the double cutout. This is kind of funky. No, we don't want that. Corner cutout. Now, I don't understand this one. If there's a reason for this, please let me know down below. I do not get that. Well, none of these. But that one even more so. Yeah, I don't understand that one. And we can hide the drip notch, the cutout. Device default, and we can go back to it. When we're back to having the drip notch, the cutout, you can utilize the fingerprint reader, the in-display fingerprint reader. Okay? And it works great. But if you decide that you want to do something else with that area, like hide it, it will not respond. And that's why I'm utilizing face unlock. Now, obviously, this is something that Motorola can fix, or they can choose not to. I will be sending them some feedback and see what their response is. But yeah, it's not going to work. At first, I was like, oh my gosh, what is going on? And then I figured it out. When you use developer options, stuff like this can happen. So I use face unlock. And it works great. So I'm going to continue to have that area hidden and utilize face unlock. And if I really want to go back to the in-display fingerprint reader, then I can unhide the drip notch. And yeah, but for now, this is what I'm going to do. So I wanted to show all of you how to hide it, but the consequences of it. Hopefully, Motorola will respond and they can take care of that issue, but that may just be the way it ends up being. So it's up to you right now how you want to utilize the functionality with that area as a developer. Again, do your homework. And that is it. Thanks for watching this video. Appreciate your time and your support. Please leave some feedback down below in the comment section.